So if you're anything like me, over the last couple weeks, you've been absolutely hammering Claude, trying to find the most efficient method to basically automate your entire workflow of anything you could possibly think that it's the ability to automate. And I found myself watching so much YouTube content, trying to find what other people are doing and how they're doing it, that I had to pause and go, wait, how can I automate this? So what I built was a skill set, right? It's a markdown file for your skills, right? Your commands in Claude, as you can see here into this command folder that I have here, the analyze-video.md. So what this file is essentially, it's telling it you are a video analyzer, right? Go grab YouTube, grab this file that I give you, send it to TwelveLabs, extract all the data from TwelveLabs, send it back into Claude, build this pipeline, and essentially get the skills ready, and then I will pick and choose which ones I want to put back into my command set. It's pretty much basically that simple. You just need to have obviously your Claude Code instance, TwelveLabs API key, and that's pretty much it. You have those two things and it's off to the races. So once you actually put this, this analyze video markdown file in there, you restart your Claude Code instance so I can understand it. You just hit the /analyze video as a command, and then you paste your YouTube link. This is the this one that I was just watching, going through all the different Matt Berman tips on how to build this OpenClaw, right? So this is 27 minutes. I just don't have time to watch all 27 minutes. There's too much stuff that I need to see. So I'm going to ask Claude to go off. I'm going to hit enter. It's going to go off and it's going to send off that file. It's going to pull that all the way down. It's going to grab all that data. And essentially what it's going to create for me is this analysis report.md, right? This markdown file. And you can see just unbelievable amount of data in this thing. I mean, just breaking down every moment of this video, breaking all the different tools and the software that he's talking about, and the step-by-step analysis, and exactly how to actually work with these commands and codes, and how to actually to build all these pieces, so that essentially this will then become that skill set that Claude can use moving forward based upon that video. And I didn't necessarily have to watch it. I know maybe it's a little lazy, but like if I'm going across so many of these videos, I can just add this into Claude and I can just move forward and then test the next thing and test the next thing. Because essentially where we're at right now is we need to be moving so fast and so quick to build all these pieces. We just don't have time to figure out all of these moments and methods. So this is one great way to just, I don't know, I guess move the needle forward a little bit. So anyway, check it out. If you have any questions, comment. And then, yeah, the file should be in the information. So there you go.